music play home. Everybody sing, everybody dance. Who's a separate one romance? We're going to party. Sandali, DJ. Boss. Paano kayo?
Hindi kami sa ano.
Ha? Hindi nyo alam? Palitan ko na lang. Walang kwenta pala yung kanta ko. Hindi kayo nag-enjoy? Nakapagdibo pa to. So ano, ulitin ko. Papalitan ko ng song. Siguro yung next, alam nyo na. Play yung next natin. O sige, panabagong lahat, itaas mo ng kamay. Itaas ang kamay, ang di sumabay. Alam niyo na sumba, mamamatay. Both hands please. Let me see your hands in the air. Welcome to Bar 58 on my first night ever. Palakpakan may kasamang sigawan! Medyo kabado ako. Pero ito yung mga crush ko, okay lang, di ba? Everybody, put your hands together. Nikki, Luan. Go guys. Everybody, put your hands together. Alam niyo to, ha? You can sing in your version too. When the night has come, oh yeah, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me, everybody sing along. So darling,
stand by me, oh, stand by me.
Sing, ano?
Oh my God, lumalabas.
Oh yeah, what the fuck, boy? In the sky, the blood come home. Should tumble and fall on the mountain, should tumble to the sea. Oh, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me, my family sing. So darling, I can hear you. Everybody put your hands in the air, sabay, and sing. Alive. Yeah, boy. What the fuck, hey? Hey! Okay. Oh, taas ang mga kamay. Di pala pwede. Mahal pala magmura. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, di pwede siya magmumura. Di ba? Everybody sing along. So darling,
stand by me, oh, stand by me. Oh my God,
thank you so much. Ayun na. Ay, palakpakan. Ang sa inyong kasama. I'm so touched talaga. At kagabi nga nang sabi ko, this is my first time dito lang sa Bar 58. The only comedy bar in Metro Manila. Am I correct? Ano to? Yes, mamaya po. Tapos, this is the only comedy bar dito lang sa Adriatico Banda. But sabi nga na meron daw ibang mga comedy bars. Pero masasabi ko lang, ito